creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we're going to be making a loaded steak and shrimp potato, baked potato that is. So to start, we'll need some shrimp. I got some really big jumbo shrimp here. We'll see how they shrivel up, y'all. Y'all know how shrimp do. Then I have just some regular round top steak. You guys, I just sliced it and that's all I did with that. I have some broccoli here. I have 4 potatoes that I washed. Then I have some sour cream, garlic, minced onion, Himalayan salt, of course, black pepper, parsley, Obey seasoning, some adobo, and then I have that cheese whiz, that good old cheese whiz. And then I have some green onions that I don't have in this clip because y'all know I'm always forgetting something. Okay, my creators, let's get it. Right, so how are you guys doing today? I hope y'all doing magnificent. Who gonna go see Lion King? I don't know when y'all gonna get this video, but most likely Lion King will probably be about a week old or so before y'all get this video, but I want to go see Lion King. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start. So for your potatoes, what you want to do is just go ahead and open up some ventilation marks with your fork. Okay, so just put a few little pokes in there, y'all. Make sure y'all get down in there. Okay, little pokes down in there. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my foil, and then I'm going to wrap each one. Now when you put the foil on it, it allows your potato to cook a little bit faster, in my opinion, because it holds the temperature in there. And you guys, when this bad boy come out, you gotta be careful because it's hot. Okay, so I have my oven set to 400, and we're gonna let this potato bake for about 40 minutes to an hour, depending on how big your potato is. Okay, most likely for this potato, it'll probably be an hour. Okay. Alright, I hope you guys are doing good today. If I didn't say that already, I probably did. But again, I hope y'all doing good. So here's my 4 baked potatoes. I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 for 45 minutes to an hour. You guys, so this right here is just a pot of water. And then I have a steamer on top. Not really a steamer, but this is the part for the rice cooker that I always use. I have my broccoli that I washed here. And I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm just showing you guys that I'm prepping it. So that is going to be how I'm going to steam my broccoli. Put a lid over it. And then I'm just going to steam it in the board, you guys. So I'm going to put some butter in the pan here. I'm going to be cooking the steak now. Okay, and you can go ahead and get everything ready just like I am, only because I just, y'all know me, I try to get things done in a timely fashion, so that way when the potato comes out, the only thing that we'll have to do is just put it all together. That's my style of cooking, is just to do it in an orderly fashion, and that's how I'm gonna do it, you guys. So I put my butter in there. And then I'm using my grill pan. You guys know I love my grill pan just for the grill marks. But you don't have to be as extra as me. I promise. It's going to come out tasting just as tasty, okay? So I'm just going to lay my steak down. Okay? Again, you guys don't have to be this precise, okay? This is just me. You want to throw your steak in, go ahead. But I need me a good photo op. And then you also know that I say in every video, presentation is everything. That's just the chef within me, y'all. That's just the chef within me. Okay, so I'm gonna put this steak down in there, and you want to cook it to your liking. Some people like it in here for a half a second. Me, on the other hand, I like it done well. These steaks are really thin, so it's not going to take long. Therefore, you could leave it in here. For me, when I'm doing well, if you're following that recipe, you can leave it in here for at least 5 minutes altogether. It's fine. Okay? Longer if you like. So I have me some Old Bay seasoning, some black peppers. Then I have some onion, some minced onion. So how is my people doing out there? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing everything you want to do in life and more. I really do. Okay, so I have some parsley going down. I have some adobo. Yeah, I got this at the dollar store. It's really good. Y'all, I'm telling you, go to your local Dollar Tree. I'm not promoting Family Dollar or Dollar General because they pricey sometimes for a dollar store. But I will promote Dollar Tree to no end. I love Dollar Tree. I go there every week. I know my husband is sick of me for going to the dollar store, but thanks to all my organization pages out there who I follow, I just love your content. I love it. I love it. I love it. All my other people, I love y'all too. But it's all about the support. And you guys, when you're making your videos, you guys don't know how you're inspiring the next person and in what way. And I know for me, I get inspired by everybody I'm subscribed to. I just love, I ain't trying to give y'all all that smoke, but I just love different content because it really helps me with different things. Like, I love YouTube, you guys. You can find everything on there. Everything. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook. It's a lot of smoke going in, y'all. So, we'll be right back. Okay, so my steak is done. So, that looks really good for what I like. And I don't know if I had said it before, but the reason why I'm cooking all of my toppings now is because when I add all the toppings, I put the cheese on, I'm going to put it back in the oven to broil. So that'll bring the temperature up. And then your potato is going to be super popping hot when it comes out. So you really don't need to have all of this super hot. Okay? Okay. So I have the same pan, of course, along with the same garlic and seasonings and everything. I'm going to put my shrimp in. Y'all know shrimp takes literally a millisecond to cook. This little favorite person of y'all's, Daniel Jr., he been asking me for shrimp literally all day, y'all. So here you are, Dan the man, Mr. Leo Boss. I have your shrimp ready in just a little bit. Okay. So my shrimp, just put it all down there. And again, cook it for how you like it. Some people like it, you know, longer than others. For me, I'm going to go ahead and cook it for about 3 minutes total because it doesn't take shrimp long. I am going to go in with some Old Bay seasoning, just not on Daniel's now because he don't like all that spicy stuff. He'll spit it out in a second, y'all, in the millisecond. So just gonna put seasoning on ours. Okay, seasoning. I'm not gonna do Himalayan salt because it's already Himalayan salt in the pan, so I feel like we cool on that. We just put a little bit of adobo, just a little bit. Okay, go ahead and let that cook and we'll be alrighty. So my shrimp is done. That looks really good, really good. I'm gonna put a clip in of me sizzling that shrimp up real close. Might do that in the beginning. You guys, I always forget to ask, but please like, comment, and subscribe on my videos for more to come. I always forget. Please thumbs up my video, you guys. Thank you so much. So there is the shrimp, and it's just waiting on the mother of everything, the potato, y'all. Okay, you guys, we are back an hour and a half later. These potatoes are finally done. Woo, piping hot too. Woo. Hot, 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 hot. Okay. So of course you probably want to not do what I'm doing right now and let your potato cool down for just a minute. But I actually got a late start to dinner, you guys. So I need to go ahead and get it done. Okay. So what you want to do is slice your potato down the middle and just kind of squish it. Okay. Just squish it. Ooh. That's hot, y'all. Don't hurt yourself, Tish. That potato looks like it was a little bad in the middle, which is okay because we don't actually need this middle anyway. Okay, and I'm not going to do that with both of my potatoes. That actually just worked. I'm actually going to make Baby Dan some mashed potatoes. Now you don't want to take all of your potatoes out, but of course you want to make a nice size cavity, okay, for all your fillings. I'm just cleaning up. So keep your potatoes, some of your potatoes on the side, okay, for sure. And then you just want to, I'm gonna use a little if I can get it. Ugh. I'm gonna use a little brush and just brush some potatoes. Y'all can dump it. Y'all know me, I'm extra because I got all these kitchen gadgets. But you can go ahead and dump your butter. Don't go out and buy this little pastry brush if you don't have it, okay? Alrighty, so make sure your potato is nice and buttered like so. Okay, now we can get the adding on the fun stuff. Okay, so I'm putting in my steak here. Putting in my steak. And we are going to put this back in the oven for just a few minutes. Only so you can get the full picture. I don't even know what I want to do next. I'm gonna put in some broccoli right in the middle. Okay, what I'm trying to do is have the shrimp more so like poking out on the sides, y'all, because y'all know me, I want that photo cred and that presentation. Ooh, I am dropping broccoli, you guys. Okay, so I have my steak all poking out, looking good. Front and center, she front and center, y'all. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on my shrimps, okay? So, you can put on as much shrimp as you want. I'm gonna see how much shrimp I can actually fit in here. I think I can fit about 5 pieces, okay, which is perfect. So about 5 pieces. I'm gonna have some more there we go, more of that. Put some more broccoli in the mix, mix it up. Presentation, y'all, okay? Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. So, what we gonna do now? The fun part. This is the fun part, baby. Fun, 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 fun. We gonna just add in that cheese. It's cheese time. Now put as much cheese on as you want to, but I want my cheese to cover everything, okay? my cheese to cover everything. So I'm just gonna get crazy with it. Yeah, I'm gonna get crazy with my cheese. All right, because I want, when I put it in the oven, just get messy with it, y'all. I want my cheese to just melt on down in there so y'all can see everything, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put this back in the oven. I'm actually going to put it on broil for about 2 minutes, you guys, okay? So stay with me. All right, y'all, let me let you get into this. Here we go. That was 2 minutes under the boiler on high, okay? And what we gonna do is we just gonna hit that bad boy with some parsley. And that's it. She done. She done. Now, you guys, y'all know I'm going there with some sour cream, but for photo purposes, I don't think I'm gonna put the sour cream. I may put the sour cream. We'll see. We'll take a few thumbnails. But guys, let me go ahead and plate this up with you before I let you go. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me until the end. Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh, and you know what? Forgot one other thing. Really gonna set her off. Y'all know. It's that green onion, baby. No other than that green onion. Okay? Go ahead, put you some sour cream on that. And as I always say, do you, boo. Do you. Here we are, my creators. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more bangers like this. As I always say, my name is Tish, and I get it in the kitchen, baby. Until next time, my creators, be blessed.